Okay, central tendency and range. An airline asks its agents to assign convenience ratings on scale 1 to 7 to 114 flights leaving one of its hub cities. This histogram below shows the distribution of the ratings. What is the median rating assigned by the agent? So we're looking for the median. Median or the middle. Okay. So the best thing you can do here is let's rewrite the value here. So this is the first one. We have 8. So I'm going to write it here. Let's write it here. 8. We have 11. Verse 2, 11. We have 8, 11, 11. Next number it's 17. Okay. Next is 19. Next is 23 and 25. Okay, so we have these numbers here. Now the question is, what's the median? The middle of these numbers here. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers. So it means we can get the center. So this is 3 here and this 3 here. The median is 17. So the question is, what's that 17? What's the value of that 17? 17 is 4. Okay, so the answer is letter B. Okay. Next question. A scoutmaster is preparing his troop for annual fishing expedition. He surveys each of his scouts to find how many fishing poles they own, what is the mode of the number of poles owned. So mode. What's mode? The most number represented. Okay. So they said, what's the mode of a number of poles? So this is the number of poles. So we're going to look for this. This is from 0 to 6. So if I'm going to look at the values, 0 has 7 is the most. The number of scout on this number, 0 is 7. So the mode here is going to be 0. Next question. Question number 3. The table shows the cost of purchasing a standard stapler at 5 office supply stores, A and E. If the median cost of the purchasing a standard stapler of the store was $17.99, which of the following could not have been the cost of the stapler on the store? So we have store A, B, C, D, and E. A is blank. $17.49, $19, $15.66, and $17.99. It's not in order. So the best thing I'm going to do here is write this in order. Let's start with the smallest number, which is 15. Okay, let me write it here. 1566. Next is 1749. Next is 1799. Next is 19. Now they said 1799 is the median. Change color. This is the middle. So which is not a possible answer? Let's look at letter A. Letter A can be here, which is 1995. So that's good. It's still in the middle. Letter B, which is in between this number here, it's 18 95. Okay, so if I erase, let me erase this, 1799 still in the middle. Okay, next is 1695. So 1695, let me look at that. Change color. So somewhere here, this is 1695. That's interesting. Looks like this. If I put 1695 here, this is gonna be the middle. And last is 1925. 1925. If I put that here, 1925, and erase this, it's still in the middle. So the question, which is not have been the cause of stapler for store A? So my answer is this, 1695. So the answer is letter C, is not. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. A traveler on a vacation spent $25 on food in the first week. Let's make it bigger. $25 on food during the first week. For each of next 2 weeks, he spent $52. And the last week, he spent $34. What is the average weekly food expenditure while he was on vacation? So they're looking for the average. They're looking for the average, okay? So the average. So we need the mean. So although it's not necessary, but I will do it anyway. I'm going to write them in order. That's 25. That's the smallest number. That's the first week. And then 34. That's the third week. And then 52. That's the second week. Okay. I need to add them. So if I add this 4, this 3, it's gonna be $111. Okay, now I'm going to divide that by 3 because we have 3 here. So 111 divided by 3, it gives me $37. So my answer is letter A. Last question, question number 5. Karen received scores 74, 63, 61, 42, 90, and 78 on her math test. What was Karen's average score for this 6 tests? So I'm gonna do is I'm going to add everything there. So let me rewrite that in order. It's 42 plus 61 plus 63 plus 74 plus 78. Okay, now if I add that, it gives me equals 381. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. My answer is going to be 63.5. So I'm going to look for the closest answer here, which is 64. Thank you.